In a world filled with incredible accomplishments and daunting challenges, we stand amazed by colossal creations and the pinnacle of human ingenuity. Join Greenthumbs Machinery as we embark on a journey through this extraordinary realm, delving into the intricate details of heavy machinery, with a particular focus on the remarkable heavy machines. The XC30 centric crusher bucket is a powerful attachment designed for efficient concrete and material recycling. With formidable crushing force, it excels in demolition and recycling, showcasing versatility from projects to sustainable material processing. As a lover of technology and heavy machinery, I can't help but admire the impressiveness of the huge wheel bucket excavator. This is not just an ordinary excavator, but a special giant machine designed to face the biggest challenges in the mining and construction industry. The tunnel boring machine is not only a powerful tool in the construction industry, but also a symbol of innovation and utility in creating unique underground structures. This makes the machine an integral part of meeting the growing demand for urban infrastructure and transportation works. Komatsu PC350 epitomizes modern efficiency in construction. With advanced technology and robust digging power, it exceeds expectations, offering reliability and convenience for every project. A true powerhouse in performance. The Tesmex 1675 trenching machine is an icon of strength and efficiency in road excavation. With its ability to dig deep and wide, it not only saves time but also ensures precision. Flexible and equipped with advanced technology, this machine provides comfort for operators and proves to be a reliable partner in modern construction. The Caterpillar 385C is a powerful hydraulic excavator designed for heavy-duty tasks, offering durability, versatility, and advanced technology for efficient performance in large-scale construction and mining projects. The Caterpillar 6015B excavator is not only a symbol of strength and performance but also brings utility and innovation to the heavy machinery industry. With its deep and wide digging capability, comfortable cabin, and advanced technology, it meets all the requirements for large construction projects. The car shredder is a powerful, specialized machine designed to separate and recycle old cars. Engineered to optimize the collection and conversion into recycled materials, the car shredder plays a crucial role in the recycling process, reducing waste and promoting the use of recycled materials. The car disassembly machine is a specialized device designed to efficiently disassemble and separate each component of a car. This process helps optimize recycling and maximize the value extracted from used car parts. An excavator digs and a crusher processes rocks into sand in a straightforward process. The excavator retrieves rocks and feeds them into the crusher, which grinds them into sand. The resulting sand can then be used in construction and the production of building materials. The Mechalac 6MCR excels with hybrid power, a swiveling operator station for tight spaces, and versatile dual functionality. Innovative controls ensure ease of use, making it a standout compact construction equipment. The Cat 336E, currently in action crushing a ship, showcases its formidable strength and capability in heavy-duty demolition tasks. Its powerful design and advanced features make it a reliable choice for efficiently breaking down large structures. The compactor demonstrates its prowess by forcefully pushing, toppling, and pulverizing trees, showcasing its robust design tailored for efficient tree clearing and crushing tasks. The machine exhibits an impressive level of sheer destructive force, effortlessly breaking down substantial tree trunks. Two colossal bulldozers gracefully traverse the expansive desert, seamlessly pulling oversized chain-link drags to elegantly sweep away the overgrown vegetation, creating a scene of formidable efficiency and power. The colossal icebreaker effortlessly crushes through the ice, a powerful demonstration of its unstoppable force in navigating frozen waters. The Cat 6015B excavator is a powerhouse designed for demanding construction and mining tasks. With a strong engine and advanced hydraulic system, it delivers efficient digging and lifting performance, making it a versatile and reliable choice for heavy-duty applications. These trucks are specialized for transporting oversized or overdimensional cargo. They are equipped to handle large and heavy loads, often requiring special permits due to their dimensions exceeding standard transportation regulations. Oversized cargo trucks are designed for transporting goods that exceed standard size limits, typically requiring special permits for their extended dimensions. The EKG 20km, a formidable electric mining shovel, is renowned for its robust design and high capacity, making it a dependable choice for extensive excavation tasks in mining operations. Thanks for tuning in to Greenthumbs Machinery. These heavy machines are truly awe-inspiring. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of amazing agriculture technology. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content.